Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to set up columns in Google Drive to better organize your files. First, head to your Google Drive homepage. This is where all your documents live, and it's the central hub for managing your files. Next, look at the upper right corner of the screen for the list layout icon. It looks like a stack of lines. By default, Google Drive shows files in a grid layout, but switching to a column view gives you a clearer overview. Click the icon, and instantly your files will appear in a structured column format, showing file names, sizes, and modification dates. This makes it much easier to scan through documents and locate exactly what you need. One quick tip, you can sort your files by clicking the column headers, like name or last modified, to quickly rearrange your documents. This helps you keep the most important files at your fingertips and improves your workflow. And that's it. Using columns in Google Drive is a simple way to stay organized and manage your files efficiently.